We have one, and it says best before 3rd of November, which was over a month ago. And I didn't have anything. I was literally just in my pajama shorts.
We're home!
It is December 8th. It's nice and early tonight. It's only about 7:30.
Jordan was an efficient man tonight. He came home, he cooked me dinner, a lovely stir fry. Very good.
Yum.
It was actually quite good. I watered some plants. And here we are, ready to do day 8's activity after a long, hard day of working hard.
Alright, I'll shake it up and you can pluck it out.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
We are going to be baking gingerbread cookies. I don't know whether that's going to be reversed or not. Like, it looked like it was backwards on the camera, but anyway.
I don't think so.
We're baking gingerbread cookies, so it's a freaking good thing
How long do
that
they
we're
take?
early tonight. I don't know, I reckon in like an hour.
That's alright. Oh, yum.
Yeah. Oh, gingerbread cookies with ice cream later. We can sandwich them maybe. How fun does that sound?
Yum.
Alright.
Have you got everything?
Yeah, I think we do.
Do you use actual ginger or grated ginger?
Yeah.
Like we've got like
actually,
ginger spice.
hopefully we don't need eggs. Because we don't have eggs. Let me see, one moment. 1 large egg yolk. We might have 1 egg in the fridge, and if it's still good, I don't know. Let me have a look at this 4.7 recipe to see if it needs eggs.
Maybe just search eggless.
Oh, Benza.
No, we have nothing. Oh wait. We have eggs. We have
maybe 1, but as I said, I'm not sure whether it's still good.
Oh nah.
Nah, test it. So sometimes they're still good afterwards.
We have one, and it says best before 3rd of November, which was over a month ago.
Look. Oh, this needs eggs as well.
What's the test? If it floats, it's good, or if it sinks, it's good?
If it sinks, it's good.
Alright.
Alright.
I'll do it. I'll bring it over there.
Let's do an egg test.
Hang on. Alright, so what is it? Sink. Good?
Sink is good. Let's cross our fingers. Come on for a sinker.
I don't want it to like...
We're making gingerbread man.
Okay.
Alright. Let's go.
Alright. Gingerbread?
Gingerbread men.
I'm gonna Google that to
and
double check.
misses.
And Mrs.
That's so fun. I've never made gingerbread cookies before.
I haven't either.
Yeah, awesome.
And delicious.
Yeah, I'm actually so glad that it's early then.
Same.
Because I think
Oh, if we pull this at 9 o'clock.
I'd be like, oh no.
And how was your day? Did you have good days? Did you just have good dinner? Yeah. Hello, Bunzo. You poop in the camera. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh, you love your nose scratches, don't you? Oh.
You guys are so cute.
You are sitting on her. Are you sitting on her right now? Oh no, you're not sitting on her. Good boy. You gonna help us make cookies? No, you don't like cooking? You just want to watch Love Island, don't you? I called you out to tell you we're watching Love Island and now we're making cookies. What happened? What happened? Mwah. Love you. Oh my gosh. Is that all your fluff I just put on you? You're molting. I'm gonna give you brush.
Oh, there's a tiny little spider here. So, in the bowl, cream the butter and brown sugar. Half a cup of butter. And the brown sugar is 2/3 of a cup. Alright, we've made the dough. Now we just need to make 2 discs and then glad wrap it and put it in the fridge for 2 hours.
What a long time to chill something for. I don't even get to
know.
chill for 2 hours a day.
I want to eat them. Well, we have to chill while they chill.
Yeah, we'll chill and watch Love Island.
Yeah, and it's going to be a chill fest.
It's so nice. Very squishy.
Oh, that was satisfying.
Did I say how thick something this is?
1 inch.
Alright, that was fun. I had a good time.
Yeah, I had a good
Making
time.
the dough and whatnot. The dough felt so squishy. It almost felt like a, what are those, like, not therapy, those,
Oh yeah.
what are they called?
I think.
Sensory kind of like
Yeah,
toy
the squishy
Yeah.
ball.
It felt like
things.
that. It felt like sort of like kinetic sand.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so the recipe says that you can't skimp on the chilling, so it has to chill for about 2 hours at least.
That'd be 10:30
Yes, means 10:30, and
before cooking it.
yeah. So I think we're gonna say that that is our little activity, and then jump back tomorrow and finish it off, and like properly cut them out and bake them and everything like that.
Yeah, otherwise it'd be a waste of time just going like trying to rush it and then they don't turn out good.
Yeah, but we will do our event calendars.
Oh, sorry.
I think this one's mine.
Thank you.
And it's your turn to read tonight, I believe. Is this mine or yours?
Oh,
This is
Foxy's. Thank you. Alright, it is the 8th of December. Everyone ready for the story?
Yeah.
You know what gets us all fired up? Exploitation in the cocoa industry. Tony's exists to change that, and by eating our chocolate, you're helping us. So thanks.
Aww, I love that.
I also think it's cacao. We keep saying cocoa, but same thing. I think they're different things. Do you know?
I don't know.
I think cacao is the plant, and then you make cocoa. But
Jeremiah
Doesn't
seems to
matter.
think it's cacao. Belly. Cacao is the bean. It's the whole flavor profile of the...
Oh, you see? So this we're talking about cacao.
Probably cacao. I don't know. Anyway, number 8. Number 8.
Oh.
Oh, it's
fire.
You spoiled it for me.
Sorry, it's that one.
And then I was gonna show the other day, but it's like a house. I don't know how easy it is to see, but I really like its design. And then when you open like a chocolate, it's like a window, and it opens like kind of like French windows make.
Why don't I film you opening it?
Okay. See? French windows. Like this. How cute. And then you get chocolate in there. Alright, let's see what this chocolate is, so. That was a satisfying pop from both of us.
Yeah. Nice.
Ooh. New one. Dark milk pretzel.
Oh, yum. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretzel.
I think we've had this one before.
I think we bought the block of this one.
I think we have, yeah. And I remember it was good. Look at it. Very cute. Tony's. Still loving these paper wrappers. So good. Because when you think about the Cadbury ones, right? Not that I've had one, honestly, in so long.
Boy.
But they just have a plastic, like... Oh my god, he's so cute.
I'll just film it again.
He's happy. Aww. That's nice, Trifle. Good kisses.
Good boy.
Good boy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Dark.
Yum.
Yep. Dark. Little tiny bit salty.
Not as good as hazelnut.
No,
but so
hazelnut was so good.
Yum.
Very nice. Pretzel chocolate is underdone. Why do more people not do pretzel chocolate? Last year we made pretzel chocolate and they were really good.
Oh, that was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's one of those nights where I want to get like a block of these and eat a couple of rows.
I know.
Or some gingerbread cookies. Alright.
Alright, well that was a fun night though. It was a nice... I know we didn't finish our activity, but we'll finish it tomorrow.
It's nice that it's still early.
Yeah. Also, our Christmas lights have just come on, but our neighbours across the way have put up their Christmas lights along their fence and hedges, and it looks so good. Our houses are like popping off. We are in sync. They've used coloured lights outside, we've used coloured lights outside.
They look really good.
Looks really good. They have a really, like, they have a lot of like front yard space to work with. I was like little balcony.
Yeah, they've got a whole house.
But it looks really good. I can imagine driving past. It's gonna look elite. Also, we have our lights up in our bedroom window, which is street facing. So I just think this little section.
Oh yeah. Here's a car. Are they gonna slow down?
Oh no,
that's our neighbour.
That's our rich neighbour who hasn't decorated their house at all. Literally has like, how much is this house? Like 3 million or some shit?
I don't know, we looked it up. Something crazy.
It's something absolutely
massive.
Ridiculous. He has not decorated his house, which is very disappointing. It almost feels like people with the most expensive houses do the least amount of decorating, which I'm like, you've got so much work to do, like real estate to do.
Too busy being rich.
Well, if you're too busy being rich to have some Christmas cheer, then I don't want it. I don't want it at all.
Fair, yeah. I much prefer what we have.
Yeah. Anyway, I look forward to coming home one evening and seeing it all. Yeah.
Should I tell the story about how they saved me?
Oh my gosh, if you want, yeah.
Michaela was at work and I was here and it was pretty hot, so I was just in these, like my pajama shorts. I didn't have a shirt on or anything, I was just on the computer. And I came out here and I put the kettle on to make a coffee, and I put my lunch in the microwave, and then I know. Oh, Michaela asked me to water our little mulberry tree out the front earlier, so I was like, oh, I'll water that now. So I grabbed the thing, I watered it, and then I came back inside, and then I still had like a minute left on the microwave, so I went out the back to water. We've got grass for the bunnies, and the door slammed behind me, and I didn't have anything. I was literally just in my pajama shorts. And I didn't have my phone, I didn't have keys. I'm so glad I was wearing shorts and not just boxers. And there was, like, they were locked. I was locked out. I came around the front.
Our doors are like deadlocked. They're not like just a normal closed door that you can open.
I think the front door I had open, but I had the fly screen locked. So I think the crosswind closed the back door on me, and then the front door fly screen was locked. So I came around the front. No, I ran around the front because I looked in, I was like, I've got the front door open still. So I ran so it didn't close on me, and it was locked. So I spent 10 minutes like quietly freaking out. I didn't know what to do. Bless you. And Michaela wasn't due home until 6, and it was about midday.
Yeah.
And we know our neighbours in here, and no one was home. It was a Sunday, and nobody was home. I think our neighbour downstairs was home, but I knocked and no one was answering. So I needed a phone to call Michaela, so I walked across the road, and then they didn't answer, and then I went next door, and this lady answered, and I'm like, hi, I live just across the road. I'm really sorry, I'm in my pajamas.
Were you actually like this?
Yeah. I was kind of like...
Sorry, covering your nipples?
Yeah, I was kind of like, I live across the road. I'm really sorry, I'm just in my shorts. I just accidentally locked myself out. Can I borrow your phone? So I messaged Michaela, and I was like, send the keys over. I need the keys. Like, Uber them to me.
Yeah, however much it is. I never normally take my lunch break until like 2 o'clock.
No, but I said to her, like, I was like, she'll just send them over, thanks. Like, if she replies saying she can't or she doesn't have them or whatever, I'm just across the road sitting on my steps or whatever. So I was sitting here for like half an hour, 40 minutes or something. And then I went back over there. I was like, is there an update? And they're like, no, she hasn't messaged. I was like, maybe I'll call, can we look up the phone number to her work and I'll call her work? And you answered the phone. There's like 3 people that work there, and you're like, blah, 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 Michaela speaking. I was like, hey babe, it's me. I've locked myself out of the house. Can you send the Uber the keys over? So it cost like 30 or 40 bucks.
Oh, it was $45.
It's like an hour and a half I was locked outside. I hadn't eaten lunch yet either.
Yeah.
But anyway, I was really appreciative that they helped me, and they're the ones that put their lights up. Yeah. So if that story is amusing, we'll leave it in. If not, we'll cut it out. Anyway, let's get on with that, Alright.
Alright, well, that concludes day 8. To be continued with the cookies, but we'll be back tomorrow for day 9. We both are working again all day.
Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday tomorrow. This week feels like it should already be Thursday somehow, and it's Monday, so I don't know.
Okay, yeah, fair enough. I don't really feel that way.
Yeah, fair. I don't know. Anyway, we will see you then.
Good night.